Is that me? It's me! Oh.
Say something.
Don't make me put my foot in your ass.
Start from the beginning. I'll start.
Shake your ass.
No, I'll do that bit. Ready?
Is it because you want to take a mud shot?
No. Shake that ass. Watch yourself. Shake that ass.
Show me what you're working with.
Shake that ass. Watch yourself. Shake that ass.
I came in with my dick in my hand. Don't make me put my foot in your ass, be cool. Don't worry how I'm slipping when I'm slipping, niggas. That's just how I do.
Go and do the rest.
I don't know the rest.
And then he says,
I thought I told y'all niggas before, y'all niggas can't fuck with me. That's all I know. Would you even film that, or were you just doing it for your entertainment? Slap my boobs. Do you want a nip slip? Nip slip. Nip slip.
hardly, just forced it out. Thought I told y'all niggas before, y'all niggas don't fuck with me. Just hold it.
Are we recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
I'm gonna make a diary entry for Jamie about London. Okay?
I'm at the train station. What do I do? At the train station. What do I do? At the train station. Train station. Train station. Hold it the other way, I'll trying to rotate it.
Having some technical difficulties.
Still recording?
You didn't know I've zoomed in. Huh? I zoomed in and your lips just went huge then.